So guys, panoorin naman natin tong laban ni General Casimiro sa taga United Kingdom, England na si Charlie Edwards. Ang pinaglalabanan nila dito na title is IBF Flyweight Division. So si Charlie Edwards is challenger to at undefeated. So ang champion dito is si General Casimiro. So, start na tayo mga guys. Undefeated to mga guys, yung makakalaban ni General Casimiro. Defending champion naman si General Casimiro, si Pedro Alas.
At all times. Touch close. Little boys. Harry Flanagan, Lee Selby, Carl Frampton, Lee has
Round 1 na mga guys. Magandang laban to.
The tough, rugged. Knowing he hasn't been in with the quality as a professional at this level. Be looking.
So, titingnan lang natin yung yung observation natin sa katawan ni General Casimiro. Parang nagbawas siya ng timbang dito kasi nangayayat siya, mga guys. Undefeated yan mga guys yung kartada ng kalaban niya. Tapos mas matangkad, mas mahaba yung reach. Sapul. Sapul uli. General Casimiro yan eh. So round 1 tapos na. Makikita natin nagpapakiramdaman muna, puro jab-jab muna sila. Wala pang masyadong binibitawang mga hard punch at mga kombinasyon. So yung score sa aking observation, mas lamang ng kaunti si General Casimiro ng score. Round 2 na mga guys. Ganda ng laban.
Casimiro round boxing exhibition. That was the idea. He's heavily rocking at Casimiro. Maybe you can counter his counter off with that. You're looking at trying to time it. Maybe again, like I said earlier, you can maybe counter. He's got to implement it. Not the first of them. At this point, I would say you can counter off his shot. See, he's struggling a lot to know that he's not making use of his time. Yeah, you would hope the early doors, tight.
Round 2 na mga guys, tapos na yung round 2. So, pakiramdaman pa, hindi pa sila nagpapalitan ng mga kombinasyon at malalakas na suntok. So, hindi pa masyadong sagupa. At more on strategy pala to si Charlie Edwards. Hindi siya agad-agad lusob ng lusob. Round 3 na mga guys.
Electricity and real belief help them away to take this title. Clearly a jab is part of the repertoire here. And it's part of his
Sapul. Left hook.
Before that he held the light flyweight crown.
Namula agad nung tinamaan eh.
Further down the track for him.
Bam.
It's refreshing to see all.
Solid yun, yung uppercut ni Casimiro. Isang tama lang yun, knockout ka. Bam. Duguan na yung huwa nga. Puro jab yung tapos. Tapos yung round 3. Kay Casimiro pa rin yung score nun. Round 4 na mga guys. Mabilis yung kalaban niya, si Edwards. Mabilis. Ginagamit niya yung haba ng kamay niya. You know?
Right hand. You see it?
Oh,
And Edwards felt that. And then closing up the defense, closing yourselves up,
sa Paul, mga guys. Buti hindi natumba.
making yourself a smaller target. There's a swagger, isn't there? There's a cool Calm City.
Oh, uppercut.
Digging some body shots and only showing the legs. He's
Lakas nun, yung body shot ni Casimiro na ganon. Bodega.
backing away.
You know, bam.
And right there, he got him.
Hindi natumba siya isang suntok lang eh. Naka-adjust.
Back with head clash.
Round 5 na mga guys, ang ganda ng laban. Ito yung magandang panoorin eh, kay Casimiro.
Pause that. Now we're into the fifth round. So we'll go to the experience seasoning against you. Maybe you'll go for a European title next, but John Roberts right back. Champion. There he is, moved from Cebu City to Walmart City, but these jabs that he's shooting are terrific. But
Yung jab na yun, delikado yun ha. Nakaka-knockout din yun.
right hand again. It's about that, isn't it?
Pre-knockpiece yung jab na yun para makapag-knockout din mga guys.
Because Charlie can win
Yun o, ang bilis oh.
the range.
Pag normal na tayo, hindi...
He's under pressure. He's feeling
Round 5, pakiramdaman pa rin. Hindi pa rin umaatake si puro jab lang. Si Edwards. Si Casimiro naman, siya yung lulusob. Siya yung umaabante. So, puro jab pa lang to si Charlie Edwards. Siguro ganun yung strategy niya mo. Muna. 1 to 6 rounds. Puro jab muna siya. Hindi pa siya agad-agad umaabante. Umaatake.
John Real Castle.
Round 6.
Now this is only the fifth work rate or accuracy.
Yan na.
In that last round.
Round 6 na.
When you hit with too many big shots or any big shots during the round, you win them. Continue to bury you with the jab. You're gonna lose the round. Yeah. You know, you just hold them out. That's better.
Siguro yun yung pang-knockout niya, yung jab na yan. Yung ganyang jab niya.
A statement early.
Ganyan yung strategy niya. You know, jab, straight jab. Round 6, walang nangyari. Puro jab pa rin si Edwards, hindi pa rin lumulusob. Si Casimiro yung umaatake.
By these minutes, I'll tell you. Better from Charlie. Casemiro, dare I say, is my first time to win the bottom round.
Round 7 na mga guys ha.
In June last year, still have enough zip about him. And June.
Sa Paul, solid, tinamaan, uppercut. Oh, mananakaut na mga guys. Antabayan na natin, mananakaut na mga guys. Oh, kumakapit na. Round 7, score kay Janrel Casimiro mga guys. Walang nagawa si kumakapit na eh. Nagki-clinch na si Charlie Edwards mga guys. You know, sa Paul, nahilo siya dyan. Round 8 na. Wala na, ginulpi na. Clinch na, nagki-clinch na siya. Puro body shot na ang pinapakawalan. Sa Paul, hook shot. Hook punch pala mga guys, hook shot. Tapos na yung round 8 mga guys, papasok na tayo sa round 9. Yung scoring sa akin sa aking opinion at aking comment is Janrel Casimiro pa rin yung round na to, round 8. Round 9 na. Wala. Ganyan pala yung strategy ni Charlie Edwards. Yung jab na yun ang pinangka na knockout niya. jab, tapos didistansya siya. Ilang body shots yun. Pagka hindi ka sanay, kung ano ka doon, hindi ka na makakahinga nun. Naninigas yung sikmura mo. Confident na confident si Casimiro. Oh. Round 9, Casimiro pa rin mga guys sa score. Round 10 na.
Charlie needs a bit of big finish for this fight. And I like how he's such on the break. Still got that knee streak in him. And as many of you are there, Dave, you struggled when you were in that division. You might as well get beat in a world title fight. You know, like I said, were the team, Dave, right to take the opportunity here, or would you have waited about 26 miles?
Oh. Bang. Kaliwang hook punch mga guys. Nayanig mga guys si Edwards. Tignan natin yung replay. Yanig. Oh. Wala na. Google pin na yan. Knockout. Knockout mga guys. Technical knockout. Panalo na naman yung kababayan natin nito. Si General Casimiro na warrior. Mga guys. You know. Wala na siyang nagawa mga guys. Pinahirapan na. Panalo na naman General Casimiro mga guys.